What's up, YouTube? This is T Macho 54321 coming at you with my Bowman Chrome baseball hobby box case break. It's box number 9 of my '09 Bowman Chrome baseball. Make sure you guys check out my other videos, man. I'm doing this for a reason. If you guys are interested in anything, go ahead and shoot me an email, thomasmitchell50@gmail.com, or just go ahead and shoot me a line here on YouTube. Let me know what you think about my cards. Make me an offer. All offers will be considered. Can't guarantee that they'll be accepted, though. Yeah, let me know what you think. Shoot. Shot me a line. Tell me nice cards or something. Alright, I'm going to get a name off pretty much the ones that are worth naming off. Other than that, I'm going to run through it. If you guys are looking for complete sets, I've got them all day long. Bowman Chrome, baseball, 09, 07, 08. Michael Bowden, rookie. Alright. Alcides Escobar. Alcides Escobar. Ryan Zimmerman refractor. Yeah, I got this case from blowoutcards.com, man. Great case. Started off real good, real strong, slowly dwindled. But it started picking back up recently. Phil Hughes extractor. I'm getting a lot of duplicate autographs. I haven't got a duplicate Carlos Santana yet, but I did get one. Really excited about that. It was a refractor even, so that made it better. Greg Olson, rookie. That was a rookie. Big fan of Chris, man, from the Hobby Box. I haven't ordered no boxes from him, but I watch his stuff, man. Okay, man. Here we go. A gold refractor prospect of Parnell Halliman. 11 out of 50. Parnell Halliman. Anybody know anything about this guy? Let me know. Maybe he'll be something good. Seems to be a pitcher. Wow. Yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in any cards. Shot me a line or something. Hey, finally got one of these guys from this case. A Rick Porcello rookie. Man, he was really hot as a rookie. I don't know what happened last year. See what happens this upcoming year. He should do pretty good, as long as he stays healthy. We'll see, though. Andrew McCutchen, rookie. Bobby Scales, rookie. Rookie. Wow, my back is killing me. There we go. Sitting down in his chair doing these videos. Whew. Oh, never seen this. A Wilmer Font X-Fractor. It looks weird, though, this version of an X-Fractor compared to the other ones. Almost got excited for a second. Never heard of him either, but we'll see. Like I said, prospects, man. These prospects right here should be coming out this year, I'm hoping. Yep. Xavier Paul, rookie. You see that now? There we go. Ooh, I got another orange. And it's an autograph of Robbie Grossman. Orange refractor auto, number 10 out of 25 for the Pittsburgh Pirates, Robbie Grossman. Let me know if he's any good, ladies and gents. Robbie Grossman. Sorry, gonna have to take some time out on this one because that one could possibly be a decent card. Put this in a nice little case over here. Robbie Grossman. Never heard of him. Hopefully something great. Like I said, ladies and gents, if you guys are interested in anything, any one of these cards, you let me know. Might even be his jersey number, to tell you the truth. I don't know. Alright, better look at him. There you go. Robbie Grossman. Bowman Chrome, orange refractor auto. Numbered 10 out of 25. Okay? Holla at me, you guys are interested in anything. At least the color's been coming back. Happy about that. See what else we get. It's been a pretty decent box. Can't ever complain about an orange refractor auto. It's always going to bring you something, right? Dan Hudson. What's been said about this guy? I know he's short printed. He didn't take off like the Sterling Castro did, though. Yeah, stay sitting like this. Start pulling good stuff. Alfredo Despange. I think I said that right. Please forgive me if I didn't. Refractor. And I sure would love to get a red one. Red auto. Or he's just a red prospect, or red refractor, something. Red Sterling Castro, that'd be awesome, right? A Luke French. You're getting a lot of these guys. This case wasn't bad. I cannot complain. I have nothing bad at all to say about this case. Oh, I got a blue. A blue Ichiro. Can't complain about that either. Holla at me. Ichiro, blue refractor. David Hernandez. Rookie. Oh, this was a good box out of the case. Can't complain about this box at all. Adam Wainwright, refractor. Daniel Bird, rookie. Rookie. Adam Lind, refractor. My bad. That was it for that case. I mean, that box. Great box, by the way. Very happy. All right, YouTube. Let me know if you guys are interested in anything. ThomasMitchell50@gmail.com, or just hit me up. This is TMacho54321 signing off. Bye-bye. Check out my other videos.